In this video, we're going to talk about how a certified burner can gain access to the early burn permit system. First, you will need an account, and that can easily be gained by going to Request an Account at the top right corner or here in the white box. This fillable form has some basic information: your name, who you're with, your email address, the reason for access, and that'll be certified burner. Please include your certification number, as this will speed up the approval process. Once you've entered this information, click on Request, and an email will be sent to the Georgia Forestry Commission. An employee of the Georgia Forestry Commission will compare the information that you provided against the certification list. If everything looks good, an email response will be sent to you with some final things that you need to do to set up your account. Once all of that is complete, you will be able to start entering early burn permits.